Hello folks. So this video is about turn signals. So as you can see, I've got these ones, they're aftermarket, but they came with the bike when I had it, and I'm not really happy with them. They are not as bright as I would like them to be, and I bought some eBay ones back here, and these are even worse. I'm really unhappy with these in the back. So I set about to upgrade my turn signals to be a little bit better, but also as streamlined as possible. So I looked on eBay and I found these guys. So they are these strips, and we'll see how they work. They look really bright on eBay, but you know, everything looks bright on eBay, right? So they're pretty good size. The idea is for them to sit up here. They'll be bigger, brighter than those ones, although they may not be legal, but that's not something I'm as concerned about as safety, because these aren't legal either. So I'm gonna give those a go. They come with plenty of wire here. There's a good chance I might cut off some of that. And then they just have bare wires at the end. So I'm going to have to look for some plugs lying around and wire these up. Here's a look at it. It's nice and clean. I like getting rid of those brackets that were on here, and it just being a little bit cleaner, and just the idea of these being much wider, much easier for people to see. I'm really happy with them. I think they're a decent improvement. One thing I noticed, which you can't really see because the wires are back in here. Oh, here we go. These wires are pretty thin, and actually I just noticed that wire's broken because it is so thin. These wires. This wire here is a fairly thin wire, but it's a standard turn signal wire or whatever. But this wire is a good bit thinner, so you have to be really careful with them and watch it, because when you're stripping them, you can cut right through. And so I'm just going to throw a little tape on that. But yeah, so far, I don't remember how much they cost, but you can find them on eBay. They're like rear turn signal LED something or another. And so far I'm pleasantly surprised with them and their light output.